There is something powerful coming. There's something deep here about worship and about songs that are supposed to come from this place and creative expression that's supposed to come to this place. The next great revival we will see is in the arts. There's something on your generation. You college, you 20 to 30-year-olds, there's something so powerful on what God has called you into. But God is setting something up, and I think He's going to take the world by storm through the creative that the world doesn't understand. But I'm telling you, your Creator understands you. And He wants to begin to give you the gifts from heaven that unlock the vaults of true worship. Run after the King. He will not disappoint you. Ask Him for things that nobody's asking Him for. There is a well of worship on this campus that's about to explode.
I hear a holy sound swelling and I hear the room applaud. A generation shouting praises to the living God. I see the mighty King of glory as He's coming in. The Spirit of the Lord is doing something new again. So are you ready to experience a fresh outpouring? The living God is in the room, so let's stand and praise Him for it.